It is super hot and humid out right now, and that means things sweat and get clammy and kind of chafe and can get a little bit uncomfortable. So what this product is it works almost just like a deodorant stick, except it basically is a kind of like a little bit of a lubricant. So it basically beats, instead of taking a big scoop of Vaseline and like slapping that between your thighs, this is a lot more convenient and maybe a little bit of a nicer experience overall. Now, I'm not gonna demo on putting that because you gotta pay for that. I don't give the goods away for free, but it works really, really well. So if you notice that you're in the middle of a workout and you're like, ooh man, my thighs are kind of rubbing together, or whatever the case may be, you can keep this in your gym bag, slap that on, and you are good to go. Now, one tip that I found with this, like one little application like that is probably not enough. You probably need to, if you're actually kind of chafing in a certain area, you probably need to go over that spot a few different times, but then it will take that away and you'll be nice and slick down there. So Body Glide works really well, and if you're not using it and you're kind of having some discomfort in this sweaty season, give it a try.